Hello, I'm Mary Burton, founder of Food Learners, a program with a mission to teach youth and families all about food, from growing it to cooking it. I am so excited to announce that this spring, Food Learners is partnering with Mr. Gore again to bring a free after-school activity to Harrison Hill students for grades 3 through 6. We will be having our activities here in person at the school garden. We will be following the school's mask policy and physical distancing guidelines while we are around other people in the garden, and we will be doing some fun gardening activities as well as having a snack time where we get to learn about the connection between what we eat and where it grows. Students will get their own garden journal to keep at the end of the program. This round of the gardening program will be held on Tuesdays after school from 2:45 to 3:45, starting on Tuesday, April 27th and going through Tuesday, May 25th. Space is limited to just 10 students, so please let Mr. Gore know ASAP if you would like to sign up. Thank you.